Welcome to Unit 9, Lesson 3. This lesson will be split into 3 parts. So it'll be 3 separate videos for Lesson 3. And in this lesson, we're going to be talking all about how to find segments and arcs outside of the circle. So in Lesson 2, we did inside. Lesson 3 is going to be all about finding measurements outside of the circle. So if we look at what we're going to do, one of our main formulas is going to be big minus little divided by 2. So big angle minus little angle divided by 2. So if we look at the first one, we got big minus little is going to be 30 divided by 2, and that's going to give us y. 110 minus 30 is 80 divided by 2. We should get 40 is equal to y. So that's pretty simple. If our equation is big minus little divided by 2 equals that outside angle, for b, they're going to give us a little something different. So our big is still this one. Our little. And then this one is different because they give us the angle instead of giving us the big and the little. So we got W minus 110 divided by 2 should equal 70. Now we can go about solving for this. Multiply by 2. So now we got W minus 110 equals 140. We add 110 to both sides. We should get 250. So W is equal to 250. That's what you would do for number 2. For B, letter B. For letter C, we have a similar thing as in letter B. So we got our big, little, and then we're trying to find the measure of the angle. Well, we have the measure of the angle. So that's going to be x plus 30 in this one, because the segments are inside the circle. So this one is actually going to be an x plus 30 divided by 2 should equal 35. Okay. Multiply by 2 on both sides. We have x plus 30 equals 70. So x has to be 40. Okay, so for C, we should get x equals 40. We scroll down, we're going to have more of the same here. We got big minus little equals x divided by 2. So we got 160 minus 68 divided by 2 equals x. When we do all that out, you should get 46 equals x. For number 3, we got 130 minus 30 divided by 2 equals x. So when you solve all of that out, you should get 50 equals x. Number 4, we got 2 variables, and they give us the angle instead of giving us the little. So we got 160 minus x divided by 2 equals 50. When you solve all that out, you should get 160 minus x equals 100. So x has to be 60. And it also asks us to find y at the tangent line. So we have y. And if you remember from our previous units, that angle is going to be half of the intercepting arc. So y is going to be equal to half of 50. So y is going to be equal to 25. Okay, so that's all for this part of the lesson, for this video. That's how you find angles and arcs outside of the circle. Okay. The next part of the lesson, we'll be looking at finding segments through a circle to a point outside the circle.